I'm going to show you how to calculate percentages in an Excel sheet. Open Excel and click Blank Workbook. If you already have a file open, click into an empty cell there instead. So I keep you at 1 to 20 baldomtrig. So delete on seat, so deal is here and have you can see. On the keyboard, that's equals 500, Shift 8, 20, Shift 5. As you type, the characters appear in A1 and up in the formula bar. Press Enter, the cell returns 100. That's 20% of 500. Then I click A1 again. The formula bar still shows equals 500 asterisk 20%, but the cell shows only the result. That's normal. Excel stores the calculation, not the outcome. The thing you can get wrong here is leaving off the percent sign. If you type equals 500 asterisk 20 and press Enter, you get 10,000 because Excel treats that as plain 20. The percent sign is the only thing that turns it into 0.2. Hard-coding numbers works, but I never leave raw numbers inside formulas. Click cell A2 and type 500. Press Enter, click B2 and type 20%. Press Enter, click C2, type equals A2 asterisk B2, and press Enter. C2 shows 100 and the formula bar shows equals A2 times B2. Change B2 to 30% now. Select B2, type 30%. Press Enter. C2 recalculates on its own to 150. That's why referencing cells beats typing the formula fresh each time. Now go and type dom press Enter. C2 changes back to 100 because Excel treats 0.2 and 20% as the same value. If it still looks like 0.2, select B2, go to the Home tab, and in the number group, click the percent style button. That changes the display to 20%, but the underlying value stays 0.2. Let me add one more number so we can see the formula fill down. Click A3 and type 250. Press Enter. Click B3 and type 10%. Press Enter. Now click C2, hover over the bottom right corner until the cursor becomes a small black cross, and drag down to C3. C3 shows 25 because it's 10% of 250. If you need to add a percent on top of a number, use the same setup with a 1. Click D2 and type equals A2 asterisk open parentheses 1 plus B2 close parentheses. Press Enter. D2 returns 520 because you're taking the original 500 and adding 20% back on top. I use that version for tax, tip, and markup. If this got you unstuck, hit the like button and subscribe. And leave a comment saying this was helpful because that's how the video reaches other people searching for the same formula.